Hi, I'm going to show you how to change the plastic drive gears to your petrol lawnmower. Some tools are required: an Allen key, a Phillips screwdriver, a spanner or a monkey wrench would do. First thing we need to do is to remove the side cover to the cylinder petrol lawnmower. There are 4 screws that need to be removed, and you use your Allen key or the Allen key that was provided with your cylinder lawnmower. Next, we need to remove the bolt. In order to remove the belt guide, using a 10mm spanner, or you can use a monkey wrench. Now you remove the drive belt. Withdraw the cylinder drive pulley by pulling off the shaft. Now you can get to the plastic gears. This one is actually broken, but there is a clip there that I need to remove in order to replace it with the new gear. The clip, you have to slide it in the slot and then just pull it off, and it should unclip. As you can see, there's a broken cog, and it's removable with 3 Phillips screws. You need a Phillips screwdriver to remove these. The cog now needs to be removed from the driver parts, another driver part, and you need to actually wedge your screwdriver in between the cog and the driver part. You just need to work your way around the part, slowly forcing it to come off. This is held with 3 pins, and the pins need to also come off. This is the new plastic gear. There are actually 2 of them. One is for the top and one is for the bottom. The bottom one actually just slides onto the shaft, and there's a clip that you put on to as so. Just make sure it fits between the other cogs, and then you just force the clip into place. Make sure, just keep your thumb there so to make sure that it doesn't flick away, and a bit of force, it should clip in nicely. There is a groove for that clip, so it should clip into that groove. The other one should actually, with the pins, they should actually slot back into these holes. Make sure you position it upright and they fit nicely in those 3 holes within the driver part. So then you will place the new plastic gear, line up the holes with the pins and just put some pressure so that it sits together. Make sure everything's vertical, those pins are vertical, and force it in place. And that's sitting in nicely now. Now you have to, the same way as you taken off the pulley drive, you place it, line up the holes. There's 3 Phillips screws that need to go back. With your Phillips screwdriver, just screw those 3 back into place. That would hold that driver part with the cog and the pins, so that it is all nicely tightened together in place. Now you can slide it back into the shaft, the pulley drive, and just make sure it's all working. Just turn it, make sure the cogs are turning, and then the drive belt can now be pulled back. Make sure there's no fray on the belt, good condition, both sides. Slide it in like so, and make sure everything's tucked in nicely. Okay, that's it. I just need to put the pulley guide back on. Just slide it in place and screw the bolt back in. Use either your spanner or a monkey wrench to tighten the bolt. Make sure you don't over tighten the bolt. You can actually stop the disc from turning. So that one was a bit tight, so I'm just showing you to just adjust it and screw it a little bit to make sure that it turns okay. That's a bit more. That should do it now. Now we need to put back on the petrol cylinder lawnmower. Again, it's got 4 screws using the Allen key the same way as you removed it. Just use it to place it back clockwise to tighten the bolts. And that's that. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's very good to have something like this. It always does help others to change the plastic gears. And that is it. That's all ready to go now. Thank you. Thanks for looking.